Welcome to Navodaya Gangadhara YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you important questions as well as answers on the chapter metals and non-metals. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel. It is free of cost for subscribing my channel. If you subscribe my channel, you will get my videos automatically when I upload in this channel. I hope you are subscribing my channel. Let's go to watch the video. Question number 1. 1 gram of gold can be drawn into 1.5 kilometers length. Why? It is the question. Its answer option is most ductility. Ductility means metals can be made into wires. Examples: gold, copper, aluminium, iron. These are the examples of ductility. Gold has most ductility property. For this property, gold can be drawn into lengthy distance. Up to 2 km, we can be drawn gold into lengthy. Number 2. Which metal has the highest melting point? In this question, melting point means the temperature at which the solid melts. For example, if we keep salt piece on a fire, it suddenly charred. At which temperature this salt piece charred? The temperature is called as melting point. Melting point is suitable for only solids, not for liquids. Which metal has the highest melting point? It is the question. There are many types of multiple choices will be given. 4 options will be given, and one of the answer will be this answer. Its answer is tungsten. Tungsten is the metal that has the highest melting point. Its melting point is around 6000 Fahrenheit. Which metal has the highest melting point? Answer is tungsten. Tungsten is the metal. It has highest melting point around 6000 Fahrenheit. Number 3. Which metal has lowest melting point? Its answer is cesium. Which metal has lowest melting point? Cesium has the lowest melting point. Question number 4. Why are electric wires coated with rubber-like material? Its answer is the rubber-like material is called PVC. PVC means polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride is a rubber-like material coated on the electric wires because it acts as a insulator. Number 5. Which metal that does not exist as solid at room temperature? Its answer is mercury. Mercury means chemical symbol is Hg. It is one of the metal, but it is in the liquid state. So its answer is mercury, Hg. Number 6. Which of the following metals will melt if it kept on your palm? It is the question. Its answers are gallium and cesium. Gallium and cesium. These melting points are nearly 30 degrees Celsius. So, when we keep gallium or cesium on our palm, they melt quickly. Properties of diamond. Question will be asked on diamond. Which of the following properties are diamond property. Diamond answers are diamond is one of the allotropic form of carbon. It is hardest allotropic form of carbon. It has a very high melting point. It has very high boiling point. Question number 8. Alkali metals such as lithium, sodium, potassium can be cut with a knife. Why? We can be cut with using knife but not by our fingers. Because alkali metals have atomic size larger and weak metallic bond, and also these alkali metals are very reactive. They make injury to our body or they make injury to our palm. So we must cut these alkali metals with the help of knife. Question number 9. Name non-metal which liquid at room temperature. Name one of the metal that should be in the liquid state at room temperature. Its answer is bromine. Br. Number 10. Write one example which is a poor conductor of heat. Write one example which is a poor conductor of heat. This question on metal. Answer is mercury, Hg. What happens when aluminum is heated in air? It is question. Its answer is it is formed as aluminum oxide. Chemical equation is that 4Al plus 3O2 produce 2Al2O3. 4Al aluminium plus 3O2 means oxygen produce Al2O3. Al2O3 means aluminium oxide. What happens when copper is heated in the air? Answer is it produces black oxide. It is also called as copper oxide. Its chemical equation is that 2Cu plus O2 produce 2CuO. Cu means copper plus O2 means oxygen produce CuO means copper oxide. It is black in the color. It is also called black oxide. What happens when iron reacts with oxygen? Answer. When iron reacts with oxygen, hydrated iron oxide is produced. It is also called as rusting of iron. Its chemical equation is that 4Fe plus 3O2 produce 2Fe2O3. 4Fe means iron plus 3O2 means oxygen produce 2Fe2O3. 2Fe2O3 means iron oxide, hydrated iron oxide. What happens when lead reacts with air? Answer. Lead oxide is formed. Its chemical equation is 2Pb plus O2 produce 2PbO. 2Pb means lead plus oxygen produce lead oxide. Number 5. What happens when magnesium reacts with air? Answer. magnesium oxide is formed. Its chemical equation is that 2Mg plus O2 produce 2MgO. 2Mg means magnesium plus oxygen produce magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide is in the form of powder. What happens when zinc reacts with air? Answers: color changes white to yellow color. Zinc oxide is formed, and chemical equation of this question is Zn plus O2 produce 2ZnO. 2Zn plus O2 produce 2ZnO. 2Zn means zinc plus O2 means oxygen produce zinc oxide. What happens when sodium reacts with air? When sodium reacts with air, its oxide is formed, that is called sodium oxide. Chemical equation is that 4Na plus O2 produce 2Na2O. Which of the following are not amphoteric oxides? Only two are amphoteric oxides. They are sodium oxide Na2O. Another one is potassium oxide K2O. These two are called amphoteric oxides because these react with acids as well as bases, produce salt and water. Number 9. Which of the following chemical equation shows example for amphoteric oxides? This like question will come. Then the correct formula is that metal oxide plus acid or base produce salt plus water. Example: Al2O3 plus 6HCl produce 2AlCl3 plus 3H2O. Remember the formula: metal oxide plus acid or base produce salt plus water. Potassium or sodium are kept in kerosene oil. Why? Give the scientific reason. Answer: these are very reactive. Potassium and sodium. In these two alkali metals, potassium has highest reactive property. Potassium has highest reactivity. Potassium and sodium react vigorously. They readily form respective oxides, and these two alkali metals readily catch the fire. For this reason, potassium or sodium kept in the kerosene. Kerosene will not react with potassium or sodium. Kerosene oil prevents the production of their oxides in the atmosphere. So, they are kept in the kerosene oil.